In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another site on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or just getting started, this process is straightforward and can really save you time when you want to duplicate your content across multiple sites. So, let's dive in. First, head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, click on Pages and Menu. This is where you'll find all the pages you've created on your site, and it's also the starting point for duplicating those pages to a new site. Take a moment to get comfortable with the interface here, as it's where you'll be doing most of the work. Next, from the list of sites, choose the one that contains the page you want to copy. You'll see 3 dots next to each page name. Click on these dots. This will bring up a menu with different options for page management. From this menu, you'll want to select Copy. This action effectively copies all the elements and contents of the page, preparing it for transfer. Once the page is copied, navigate back to the home page of your Wix account. You'll see an arrow pointing down. Click on this. It's a small but crucial step as it allows you to switch between your different site projects easily. Now, from the drop-down list, choose the site where you'd like to paste the page. Make sure this site is the correct destination, as it will host your copied content. After selecting your destination site, click Design Site. Be patient here because it may take a few moments for everything to load, especially if your site has a lot of content. Once the site is fully loaded, return to the Pages and Menu section, just like we did at the beginning. To paste the page, simply right-click on the site's menu. A context menu will appear with the option Paste and Apply Site Theme. Click on that. This step not only pastes the page, but also ensures that the page's theme and styling match the new site, maintaining consistency across your site's design. Finally, you'll need to name your new page. Think carefully about this name. It should be relevant to the content and easy for your visitors to navigate. Once you've typed the page name, hit Done. Your new page is now fully loaded onto your site, complete with all the content from the original. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page from one Wix site to another. This method is efficient and ensures that your designs and layouts remain consistent across projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your Wix sites.